What's with you?
Can't get this boat back to shore. I'm gonna get out.
I think I saw Sidewalkie just die, so no way he's safe. If you want to help me carry these shells, then I can help push the boat.
Really? I thought we were enemies.
Sidewalkie is a much more threatening player to have in the finale. Plus, I'm getting a little bored of being enemies with you, Fern. This is what, our third time doing this? Allies from now on. What do you say?
Yeah.
Hey, what are you doing?
So why have I never heard of this?
Have you just not been paying attention? It's been in like every single episode.
Puffball, every time your team has been up for voting, you've won the prize!
Puffball, why'd you stop? We're so close. We have a 99.4% chance of winning. What are you doing?
If our team loses, we'll be up for voting. And I'll win the prize like I always do. I really love prizes.
That's the most insane thing I've ever...
That's wrong!
Bubble! You are such a disappointment. You are not even worthy of membership status. You are like hereby demoted to merely a BEMB.
No!
Oh wait, that's actually it. Nice job!
All right, let's get out of here. The storms in this era are so uncontrollable.
Well, that's one reason to leave.
You know, this Yoyolate's caused so much strife. I say we be done with it. For good!
Wait, what? Nico, that's my Yoil!